Hey, it's Adriana with Screen Print Direct, and today we're going to talk about dye migration. Dye migration is what happens when dyes from your fabric bleed into the ink layer on top. This can happen after your final cure or just over time. Rapid Cure Dye Blocker and Rapid Cure Polyester White are both meant to control dye migration. Rapid Cure Dye Blocker is a specially formulated ink meant to help with dye migration. It's made to be used as an underbase when printing on polyester fabrics. We'll print, then flash, and then print our final design. Rapid Cure Polyester ink is also made to help with dye migration. It's made with no bleed materials and has a cure temperature of 270 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a great choice for printing on synthetic fabrics. This ink also has a much thicker consistency than traditional inks. Polyester inks can be used in most cases, but with a variety in manufacturer processes, it's hard to know whether or not your garment will actually be safe from dye migration. It's important to get high-quality garments and read up on the materials they're made of. Dye blockers may be a more helpful option to really make sure no dye migration occurs, since they act as a barrier between the ink and the garment. Although both polyester ink and dye blockers are good choices, dye blockers provide more security when it comes to protection from dye migration.